Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is gonna be about my dance photos that just came in. So I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna show my physical address because it's not good. So we're just gonna open it like that and open it. And these are professional made, and I've been dancing for a few years, but I have a lot of photos. We're gonna start from, let me tell you, there's a lot of photos. So these are my team. So cute. Here's another one. This one I really love. Here's some of me. This was a lyrical, and now this is my jazz, but we didn't do a jazz photo. They're really cute. They turned out great. Next is contemporary. There's not a lot of people in contemporary. I like this. It's really cute. I didn't do my hair down this year because I didn't feel like it. I like this. And my ballet. Oh my goodness. That's my ballet more this year. This is my cap, and Audrey did. And this is my jazz one. So that's that. And I'm gonna do a review on this headpiece. So I just ordered this, so I saw it was cute, so I ordered it. So we're gonna open this up, see how it fits. So it's a reindeer. Actually, it's kind of good. Not too slick, it's pretty good. I like the material, like the glitter, I like everything. It's really great designed and really great. Just make sure I did. So the microphone I'm currently using is this, so you guys can hear me better. So hope you guys enjoyed that little preview, and the next shipment should be coming tomorrow. So after I'm done editing this and that, I will let you guys know, and talk to you soon.